What's up, YouTube? Do you want to make money online simply by helping other people to find love? It's not what you think. Stay with me. It's coming right up. Before we get right up. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am actually one of the few people who can pull one off successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make my online niche, basically because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Okay, Bart, seriously, you got to stop this. He does it every day. He's so annoying. I don't understand the guy. He always complains. He says the same thing every day. Very annoying guy. Anyway, I also do a lot of these kind of videos where I teach you how to make some extra money on the side, as well as a lot of videos involving entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you again, Liz Lemon. She says it every day, and it's always so sweet to hear her say that. Thank you so much, Liz. Really, seriously. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. Now, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Hit that bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe means nothing here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and let's get right into this. So we're on a website. This is called TalkFi. Now, this is actually really cool. So a lot of us are trying to find love online, at bars, whatever. I actually got married because I found somebody online. Go figure. But anyhow, a lot of us are really, really bad at matching ourselves with somebody else. You know, we look at pictures and we look at how people's profiles and stuff, and it's like, is she really like that? Or maybe she looks something else. I don't know. What is she really like? Whatever. Is it really going to be for me? It's kind of a crapshoot, right?
It's a gamble still.
No, well, I mean, sort of gambling. Yeah, I guess. Anyhow, so what if there was a way to actually find true love with an actual human being helping to match you up? Now, that's the idea behind TalkFi. But here on the channel, we want to learn how to make money.
Show me the money!
Yeah, that's right. Money, money, money. Okay, anyway, so basically TalkFi, you can sign up, you can work from home, so it's an online gig, and basically all you're going to be doing is taking a look at other people's profiles and actually helping to match them up and try to find them somebody that they would be compatible with. So if you're an empathetic sort of person, you enjoy helping people, but you're not really a people person that you like to go out and talk to actual people, this might be the perfect job for you, because basically what you're going to do is you're going to take a look at somebody's profile and take a look at somebody else's profile and say, hey, these two people should be together. And yeah, that's pretty much all you got to do. You can sign up over here. You put down your name, address, time zone, the whole 9 yards. You're going to have to send a resume and a cover letter, but this is pretty cool, actually, I think. It's like, seriously, why not go ahead and try out for this and help other people and help yourself to a full-time job online. This is really cool stuff. Yeah, go for it, and I think you're going to love it.